Hello everyone, welcome to Esosa's Kids Kitchen World. I'm 10 years old and I love to cook. Today I'm be showing you how to make a Christmas dinner with my special guest, Unity.
Hi.
Let's get started. First we're gonna wash our hands. Our ingredients are dried rosemary, butter, and of course, potatoes and olive oil. First, we're going to put olive oil inside the bowl. Can you please open the butter and cut a little bit of it? Now I'm going to keep the bowl on the side and we put salt inside the pot. You can put it. Please, not too much. Yes. I'm going to on the gas. And we can now put the potatoes inside the pot. Gentle. Now the potatoes are done. We're going to put all the potato inside the bowl. Unity, you can do it. You can put some, Unity will put some rosemary inside. I'll put some pepper everywhere. And really not too much time. Now put a little bit paprika inside. And olive oil. This side we need to. So now we're going to put all inside the oven. And let the oven potato so 50 minutes to 1 hour inside the oven. And put it on 180. And we can wait. Now we have our vegetables. We have celery, carrots and onions. Children, don't forget to wash the celery and the carrots. Me and Unity were going to cut now the vegetables. Now I am done. Now we have a pot full of water and boiling, and we're going to put the pot inside the vegetable. Veggies everywhere. Perfect. It looks super yummy. I'm going to take now the turkey. Children, every time remember to clean the place where we're cooking. Now the turkey is here. We take a paper to rub all the water away. If you have like a pack, please try not to cut the skin. Now we're going to put some ingredients. I'm going to take it for my ingredients box. Paprika powder, we still have rosemary, butter, a little bit bouillon, thyme, pepper, salt,
and olive oil.
And if you want, you can also put more pepper and powder with paprika powder. Here we have more pepper, and here don't have no pepper. Now we're going to put all in. Yeah. So, I'm rubbing with the butter the turkey. If you want, you can cut the tail, but we must not cut the tail. I've not put salt.
Okay. Bouillon?
I've not put bouillon. I'm just just by the butter actually. You can fit the rosemary inside the turkey. These are stuffings. I got this recipe from Jamie Oliver. You people can just look and yeah. And we can put some stuffings inside. Actually, the turkey is soon done. Just that the butter should be more, and we can put more ingredients. So now we can put the turkey inside the bowl. Can you help me carry the turkey? Now I'm going to take olive oil and put it on top. You can hold this side. Now we can put the turkey inside the oven. Just inside. We should wait like actually 50 minutes or 60 minutes. And I have moved the olive oil, and now we can just put it like inside the oven like that it will get crunchy the skin. This is our final of our turkey and oven potato. Thanks for Unity coming and watching with the cooking with me turkey. Merry Christmas and have a beautiful day. Bye. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Here and here are going to be more of my videos. Bye!